Hello everyone, welcome back to Balinese Foodie. Long time I'm not to meet you all. I hope you are well today. We make fish fried with special sauce chili. Wow, so delicious. Let's go watch this video until in the end. We prepare one fresh of fish. And then sliced fresh of fish like this. We do other side as well. One teaspoon of salt. Other side 1 teaspoon of salt also. We do like this. It is done. After that we fry directly. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Other side 1 teaspoon of turmeric also. This is ripe already. We set aside to plate. And then we make seasonings. We sautéed until 5 minutes. The seasonings ingredient are 7 pieces of chili, 5 pieces of onions, 4 pieces of garlics. And all ingredients are blend. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. It has done. Wow, so tasty and delicious. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Have a great day everyone.